Slow motion close-up of the BMW logo, glowing in sunlight. Smooth transition to a BMW grille, iconic kidney grille, with light reflections. Wide shot of a BMW M8 coupe driving on a scenic mountain road, misty sunrise. Section 1. Slow pan around a BMW M4 Competition, frozen black matte. Close-ups of LED headlights turning on, neon glow effect. Drone shot of a BMW i8 on a coastal highway at sunset. Rainy night scene, BMW M5 reflecting city lights. Section 2. Smooth tracking shot of carbon fiber and leather seats. Close-up of the digital cockpit and iDrive screen. Animated transitions. First-person POV driving through a tunnel. Ambient lighting. Section 3. BMW M3 G80 drifting on a racetrack. Slow-mo dirt and smoke. Engine bay close-up, S58 twin-turbo roaring. Aerial shot of a BMW X6M speeding through autumn forests. Visuals. Like and subscribe for more 4K car wallpapers. Wallpapers in 4K download link in description below.